Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is devastating. It's pronounced devastating, and it is spelt D-E-V-A-S-T-A-T-I-N-G. Think deva, then stat, and then ing. Devastating means highly destructive or damaging. For example, you could say the earthquake was absolutely devastating. The word devastating comes from the Latin vastare, meaning to lay waste. If something is devastating today, it is destructive or damaging, laying waste to whatever is in its path. See the connection? Can you think of anything you could describe as devastating? How about floods, droughts, cyclones, tsunamis, fires, hurricanes, or landslides? However, something can also be described as devastating without causing any physical damage, like, for example, extreme weather conditions that I've just listed. If you were really upset or hurt by something, you could also describe it as devastating. For example, you could say, I was devastated when my goldfish died. Devastating is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say the devastating cyclone destroyed my house. Devastating is defined in the dictionary as causing a lot of damage or destruction. Devastating synonyms include destructive, ruinous, disastrous, catastrophic, calamitous, cataclysmic, pernicious, noxious, harmful, damaging, injurious, hurtful, wounding, violent, and detrimental. Antonyms include blessed, fortunate, and constructive. See if you can notice anything devastating today. It could be something that happens in a film, like the devastating death of Mufasa in The Lion King. Or it could also be something in a book. Either way, impress your parents by using a new word today. Devastating. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.